If you're seeing this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram, it's usually because the channel has 18+ content and your settings. First, close your Telegram app. Then open a browser and go to this link: https://webk.telegram.org. This version, Telegram WebK, lets you change content filter settings that you can't adjust on the desktop app or mobile app. Log into your Telegram account there. Once you're in, click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, and look for something like Sensitive Content. There should be an option that lets you turn off filtering, basically uncheck or disable it. That tells Telegram to stop blocking channels with adult or sensitive content. Once you do that, refresh the page or open the channel link again. It should now load. Just a heads up, this setting only works on Telegram WebK. It won't show up on Telegram desktop or in the regular web version. Also, if you're in a country where certain content is blocked, a VPN might still be needed.